In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jotform to Make. This process will help you integrate your Jotform submissions with other applications effortlessly, opening up a whole new world of automation and efficiency in managing your workflows. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Make dashboard. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so. Once you're on the dashboard, you're going to look for the Create Scenario button. This is where the magic begins, as it allows you to set up a new automated workflow or scenario in Make. Now in the search bar, you're going to type in the keyword Jotform. This will help you locate the Jotform tool you need to connect your forms. Once you see it, click on Jotform to proceed. This will bring up various options related to Jotform integrations. For our purpose today, you'll want to select the option that says Lists all questions of a specified form, or explore any other options that might meet your specific needs. This step is crucial because it allows you to decide what Jotform data you want to interact with. Once you've made your choice, it's time to create a connection. Click on the Create a Connection option. Here you'll need to input an API key from Jotform. You can find this API key in your Jotform account settings. It's a crucial step that enables Make to access your Jotform data securely. Make sure your API key is entered correctly to avoid any connection issues. After you've input the API key, you'll want to click on Save. This action will confirm the connection settings you've just entered and prepare your scenario for further configurations. Next, you'll focus on the Form ID. Look for and click on the Form ID option in your Make scenario. This will allow you to choose the specific form you want to work with. Here you can select your appointment request form, or whichever form you plan to integrate. It's important to select the correct form to ensure that the data flows exactly as you need it. Once you have selected the form, the final task is to simply click on Save. This last step finalizes your scenario setup, ensuring that your form is properly connected to your automation workflow in Make. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully connected Jotform to Make. You've now empowered your data processing by integrating your Jotform forms with your desired applications through Make. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're ready to take your workflow automation to the next level. Thanks for watching.